Simon says, read the last text message you sent. Wagwan, it's your girl Sereni here, back with another video. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can stay tuned in for future content like this and more. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow me on all socials at hey Siri _ on Twitter. Now we're not in the bag of long talking, so let's get into this video. Alright guys, so I haven't been here for a while and there's a lot of reason to back all of that. One, life took a hold and you know I wanted to like just focus on myself for a bit, so I took a step back from doing videos. And then the next thing, my ring light blew out, so I had to get a new ring light because I couldn't get the bulb for that ring light, and then the bulb for that ring light was broken completely, and it was just a lot of stuff going on. So I took a step back, but now I am ready, and I am ready to give you guys the content, the consistency that I did offer last year, and I'm here to offer it again for 2021. Yay! So yeah, that's just about it. And in this video I know that I requested what you would say, I did a poll on Instagram and I did request stuff for you guys to suggest that I do for the Simon Says, so that is what I will bring to you guys here in this video right now. So let's get into it, okay? A few of you guys sent in some stuff that you wanted me to do, and somehow on a wicked bad. I posted it on Instagram and I did post it on Snapchat I think too, and WhatsApp. So I'm going to just, you know, do the responses. First one, Simon says, read the last text message you sent. Oh, that's easy. The last text message I sent was to my best friend, and I was like, she was calling me and she wasn't getting me, and I was like, I'm recording food, relax. So I sent her like this. So yeah, I know my phone is dirty, but I sent her this, and that was the last text message I sent. So you can't catch me slipping, okay? I'm being around. Alright, it says, Simon says, show the last 5 pictures in your camera roll. Okay, last 5 pictures in my camera roll. Oh, that's easy. So I got a new camera for Christmas, and I was testing it out by doing my mom's photo shoots. Like her birthday was the next day, so she wanted to do like a little photo shoot. So I was trying to work my little photography skills, and so I took a couple pictures of her. I think I'll insert it here, or can I show it on here? Let me see if you guys could see, but this is one picture that I took of her, and then that's picture number 2, that's picture number 3, and that's picture number 4, and that's picture number 5. Yeah, that's the last 5. Simon says, try a TikTok dance. Okay. And I asked the person if it was any type of TikTok dance, and then say it's up to me to choose. So I'm gonna do the Corvette challenge. Okay, so let's get into it, okay? Okay, I'm gonna do it on TikTok, so I could probably insert it.
It's not look good.
Thing now. What is this, Sereni? What is this? I don't even think I want to show you guys this video, although you guys probably see it. But what was I doing? Let me see the next thing. No, do the walk dance. Oh my god, you guys with the dancing. I cannot dance. Okay, I cannot dance. So next should I just ask me to sing one Whitney Houston? Would I do better on that one than the dancing? What's with you guys and the dancing? Do the walk dance. Can I please not do that? Can I? Okay, I'm gonna do it. What? Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Alright? Alright.
Top, make it drop. That's some wet. That's some wet. Now get a bucket and a mop. That's some wet. That's some wet. I'm talking wop, wop, wop. That's some wet. That's some wet. Macaroni in a pot. That's some wet. That's
when a wicked. Just know when a wicked. I cannot dance. And that's the best I could do, guys. I'm sorry. But jeez, you guys caught me at a point in my life where I'm very unfit. I am very unfit, okay? I did about 6 different tries to each dance video. 6 to 7 different tries. That's a whole workout for me. Alright? So let's cut off the dancing thing. No more dancing. Alright, it said the next one now says taste toothpaste and hot sauce. What kind of insane human being is this? Toothpaste and hot sauce? Really? Really? Toothpaste and hot sauce. Alright. Simon says I shall do. This is hot sauce. I have hot pepper sauce. Hope you guys could see. Let me. Yeah, but Jamaican choice hot pepper sauce, and you have the Colgate toothpaste. Okay, so let me do that. I'll do it in my palm of my hand, because I don't know how is it supposed to taste. It's supposed to have a taste. Guys, my angles keep shifting because you guys keep asking me to do stuff that cause it to shift. Not gonna lie, that was kind of fun. I'll probably really learn the dances to this, to those. Oh my god. Alright, so I have the hot sauce and the toothpaste. Alright, it have kind of weird taste to it. I don't know how to describe this to you. I don't know how to describe this to you guys, but hot sauce and tomato. May I say hot sauce and tomato? Hot sauce and toothpaste not supposed to go together. That's a definite. And it tastes 100% bad enough. Like if it was the only thing I had, like I was stranded on an island, that was the only thing I had to eat, maybe to survive, maybe. But just get up and put hot sauce and toothpaste. No, not a good combination. Simon says try to let your toes touch your nose. I did it. Done. Easy. Done. Prank call Miss Reed. Alright, so for those who may not know, and if you never went to Hampton School, Miss Reed was a host mother, but I don't have her number, so that one I cannot do. Let's go to WhatsApp. Give Sharice $50. She never said which kind of $50. So I have Monopoly $50. When she gets home, I'll give her that. Kiss Sharice toes. She's not here. Read the entire Bible. What? Like right now? Read the entire Bible? I don't think I can do that. That would take up a lot of time. That's kind of a difficult task to do. I'll do it definitely for this year, but to do it right now, no Sharice. And as you guys can see, that's my big sister Sharice. She's very our head sometimes tricky here, guys. Pardon her. Okay, push your head through the window and say, I'm a cat woman. Oh, she never said shout it. You see, guys, you're supposed to be specific, you know. She never said me to shout it. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna say I'm a cat woman. I'm a cat woman. Sometimes, you know, it be your own friends that be doing this to you. Simon says, make ramen with 5 Scotch bonnet peppers and finish it without milk or water. How wicked are you? The ramen. I can literally smell the pepper. I literally can smell the pepper, which is so scary. That was the last Simon Says. So if you guys would like a part 2 to this, comment down below. Like, comment down below and let me know, and I promise you I will bring a part 2. So watch out for my Instagram post. You can follow me there at Hey Siri. Watch out for my Twitter post, Hey Siri _ for there. Watch out for my Snapchat post, Hey Siri for there. If you have my number, watch out for my WhatsApp post. Just, you know, stay tuned and you will see if I will do a part 2. Comment down below other videos you would like me to do, and guys, don't give up on me yet. Don't give up on me just yet, okay? I have more content coming and I would love if you guys could subscribe, share. I would try to market my YouTube channel more so you guys could share and keep on seeing all of my content when I upload them. And I hope for 2021 I stay on the path of consistency and I just get better from here. So wish me luck, and I'll see you next weekend in my other video. Bye.